UFO footage compilation from the past couple months. This one matches a description from the Immaculate Constellation document, dynamic, rolling like the surface of the sun. This next orb was filmed by ABC on 12/13/24 in New Jersey. If you've ever heard of Ezekiel's wheel, this one kind of looks like that, wheel within wheels. The next video is pretty crazy. It's a couple of orbs sitting over the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. It's definitely restricted airspace, so they shouldn't be here. This orb is actually a brand new video that just came out today. No idea what it is. I'm sure you've all heard of the fires in LA. This is an orb checking out the Santa Cruz Pier in California. This clip came out about a month ago, and it was featured on News Nation. It looks like a plane, but it has a really strange bright green aura coming from the engine in the back. This was a mass sighting in Brazil, and some kind of massive object. And here's a close-up of one of the drones in New Jersey. When people say they look like planes, but they're low and they're slow, this is what they mean. And this last clip is another drone spotted in New Jersey, but a boomerang shape.